Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Crunchyroll and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Crunchyroll. And then you will update your app if you find update here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your